Hi, folks.
Yo! Vito!
I'm gonna get real deep with you right now.
No!
Deep in the earth.
Stop!
How you doing, folks? Rich Cassidy here with a brand new episode of Secret of the Booze. Are you tired of going to underground cage fights to prove that you are more than your disability? Well, then you might be my favorite Earthbender and your name might be Toph. Today we're making a drink in honor of those Earthbenders called, you guessed it, the Earthbender. So to start, we're going to throw 3 basil leaves into a small rocks glass along with 3 white grapes. And we're going to muddle that bad boy down. It sounds squishy. It smells so nice. Do you smell the aroma, folks? You can't because it's a video. Get off. After that, we're going to fill this with ice. That's good. Then we are going to use 1.5 ounces of vodka. We are going to use 3/4 ounce of lime juice. We're going to use 1 ounce of simple syrup. We're going to take 1 dash of bitters, top that off with some ginger ale, and then we will garnish it as well with 2 basil leaves. You're supposed to slap them to like get the smell out of them. And then top with a grape. And there you have it, folks, the Earthbender.
Explain why you made it that way?
It's green, and it's got a lot of earth in it. So you might be wondering why we used a lot of the ingredients within this cocktail that we use. Most of them are all earth related. So you have basil and grapes that are muddled, which are fruits and vegetables. We use vodka that we made sure was a potato-based vodka. Then we also had ginger ale, which has ginger. So all of the elements are plant-based or earth-based kind of elements for the cocktail. In addition to that, we used bitters because Toph is bitter. But we love her. Oh, that's really good.
Yeah.
No, that's really good.
I'm glad it's good!
Stop yelling, Paul!
Yeah, you're not helping. It really does taste good. It's very good. It's nice, it's smooth. It's something I would have in like a New York City bar.
Ooh,
Yeah.
very earthy.
This is Secret of the Booze, folks. See you next round. This one's on us.
Better than mine. Je ne sais quoi. You can barely speak English. Do not try to experiment with the languages.
Then you might be my favorite Earthbender and her name...
God damn it!
So close!
You were this close!
I know.
Finish it!
I do.
Thank you for watching Secret of the Booze. Be sure to subscribe and watch past episodes. As always, if you have a geeky cocktail, let us know in the comments below.